Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rohit. I will guide you about boxing and unboxing in Shisha. In Shisha, boxing and unboxing are the crucial concept that deals with the conversion between the value type and reference type. So let us jump into a boxing. Boxing is a process of converting the value type into a reference type like int, char, etc. into a reference type, especially like an object. When a value type is boxed, the CLR, that is common language runtime, wrapping the value into a system dot object and store that object into a heap memory. And another one is the unboxing in C sharp. Unboxing is a reverse process of boxing. It involves converting the reference type back into a value type. And the most important concept about the unboxing is that if the object is not of the correct type, it will throw an exception. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you enjoy what you see, hit that subscribe button for crucial tips of pizza. Thank you, everyone.